Long, 2 weeks.
French.
Yeah.
I
hope you like it.
It's an orange.
Yes.
Every year we get an orange. Okay?
Oh, it's a tradition. You have to have it in the toe of your stocking. Come
Something I
on.
got from Joe for free.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
Is it,
It's coffee work.
What's that?
Care Bear.
It doesn't
Care Bear?
say what exactly kind of it
I
is.
thought you'd enjoy that.
I'll listen to it at work.
different than what I got?
Could be.
Or is it,
Just, you know, little thises and that's.
No, it's regular.
Oh, Uno! Fun!
I'd get-
We can play Uno now.
I don't even know how to play Uno.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so
yeah,
cute.
it's,
These are
Hello
so...
Kitty.
Bitter.
Well, it's ornament that's still going in my car.
Oh, that's cute.
I can survive.
The coins, the Care Bear coins, I thought they were golden ones, so I snipped it open before I realized, oh yeah, I bought those for Tina. Those are Care Bears. So
Oh, cute.
that's why it's snipped open.
Ooh,
Grab the
magic
first one.
towel. I like that. Oh, these are so
Whatever.
cute.
So you like it?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. And something for your lunchbox.
That won't work.
Put
them on the bottom.
in your stocking.
Oh, okay,
There you go.
thank you.
Comfort.
Oh, goody.
Fine.
Yeah.
Peppermint bark. Ooh.